Hi friends, in this video I would be showing how to repot a rose plant. Here I have taken a pot with new soil. This is mixture of fertilizer, potting soil, compost, then the normal soil and coco peat. And this is the rose that I am going to repot. So let me remove this cover. Okay, done. Then let me put this rose into this pot, so we can put it in the center. Then the surrounding area we can fill with that new soil. So this way we can repot. Please don't remove the existing soil from the plant root. That is very important. So don't touch that part. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.